Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be discussing the Boxycharm base box versus premium box. If you are new here, my name is Ashley and I do these every month, except I just got off the waiting list, so I do have the Boxy Premium today. And there will be a giveaway today, so stay tuned all the way to the end to figure out how to enter and win some of these goodies today. So I'm going to start out with the first base box of Boxycharm. Now, this box looked really big this month, like this, because of this baby. We have the iconic London eyeshadow palette. Now, I didn't get a card with my base box. I don't know why, but I did not. However, the palette looks like this right here. So it looks very, very, neutral, really, really stunning colors. Trying not to blind you. Yeah, it just looks really, really neutral, really, really nice. And I know it retails for a very high value. I will look up all of these items afterwards and let you guys know. I'm not doing this try on style today because I don't have a lot of time to film this video. The next thing I got in this box is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. So it just says, apply generously to areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. It leaves on for 3 to 5 minutes. Sweep off excess for crease-free, soft focus finish. Lightly dust oil-prone areas using a large fluffy brush for a soft touch matte finish. So we have that in the box. I also got this Laura Geller Gilded Honey Illuminator. So what's going to happen is at the end, I'm going to tell you what the giveaway items are and how to enter. So keep watching. I also got these makeup wipes from Evio Skin and Aurora. These are refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. Now there's 15 of these and it says gently massage a single refreshing cleansing hemp wipe over the face in a circular motion, taking care around the eyes. No need to rinse for maximum results. Follow with, some mask from there. So we have some makeup wipes in general. The last thing I have in this box is a complete sponge set from the brand Luxy. So we've got a small one. It says complete sponge set, bake, contour, detail. So this I would assume goes under the eyes. This is for baking, for contouring, I guess. I don't know. I'm not going to open it yet. Don't know what I'm going to do with that. But that is all I got for my base box. Now let me go ahead and figure out those totals, add them up, and let you know the price and retail value of this month's box. Now those that are new to Boxycharm, the base box is $25 and you're to get 5 luxury products worth $125. So let me go add that up and I will be right back to let you know the total of this month's box. So the total retail value for the base box for my box is $168.50. Well worth paying $25 for. I liked everything I got. And now moving on to the Boxy Premium. Alright, the theme for Boxy Premium is Adore. And this box is $35 if you're new. The premium box is $35 and you are to get 5 to 7 luxury items retailing up to $175. So let's go ahead and dive into my Boxycharm Premium for February 2020. The first thing I see here in the box is this 24 karat gold foil moisturizer from Fascia. So it says it helps dry areas disappear without leaving a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, firms, tightens, and traps in moisture. And this retails for $100. I want to get into it and see what it smells and feels like. Alright, here's what it looks like. It is luxury. And, ooh, it looks like this. It's sort of stringy. And it has, obviously, some pigment in it, the gold flecks. So it's very, very viscous, and ooh, it's really, really hydrating. I don't know if you can see that on my hand, but it's super, super moisturizing, very hydrating. It's not sticky, but it really looks like it would be sticky, but it is not. And as you can see, it's just very, very soft. Super soft, super hydrating. I love the feel of that. How cool. And over $100, I mean, really? It looks like it would be worth over $100. The next thing in the box that I got is the Korres Bergamot Pear. This is the body butter, and this is a full size. This is really, really great. Oh, wow. So I love Korres But it's got bergamot blossom notes and sweet pear, a smoothing and moisturizing body cream, rich in shea butter and avocado oil with softening, nourishing, and moisturizing properties. Let's smell this. You get almost 8 fluid ounces in here. Ooh, this smells nice, and it's really, really like a clean scent. Almost like clean laundry, a little bit like, look at that. That is so hydrating. It looks so hydrating, and it feels absolutely obsessed with this. It feels wonderful and soft and velvety on the skin, and the smell is so good. It smells like a shampoo almost as well. It smells like fresh shampoo, sort of fruity, I don't know. And that right there retails for $32. So I'm excited to have that inside of the box. The next thing I see is a bougie item. Well, not bougie, but it's a higher end brand that we usually see in Boxycharm. It's the Tarte. This is the Face Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So it looks like this. 12-hour hydration, coconut infused, smooth appearance, extends wear foundation for 12 hours. And here's what it looks like. Of course, leave it to me to ruin the video. Alright, here's what it looks like. It looks really sleek. You get 30 mils, standard 1 fluid ounce, and it looks like this. Wow, look how hydrating that looks. Ooh, it has a nice light scent. Almost like that body butter, but I wonder if it could just be mixing with the body butter at this point. I don't know, but it's very lightweight, super moisturizing, and yeah, it looks really, really promising. And that, you guys, retails for $30. The next thing in the box I see is from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So that looks like this right here. I've been loving and wanting to try this for so long. So it's hydrating and glowing radiance. I love, and I've been eyeing this at Sephora for so long and just like not ever bit the bullet. But I want to see the spray on this. Oh, it's like the finest spray ever. Ooh, you can see it did add some glow, and it smells so nice. Just like a little light scent of watermelon. It smells divine, and that spray on it is amazing. So that retails for $28. How cool. The next thing I see in the box is ultra bougie. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Diffused Heat. I'm going to show you what that looks like right here. Hourglass packaging, obviously very bougie. I'm just going to show you what the shade looks like. Here it is. That is amazing that we got this in this month's box, or I got this in my premium box, and that actually retails for $40 for the full-size product. And the last thing in the box that I got was, or is, the Carity Picante palette. So this is really, really, really pretty. It's got a lot of warm tones. It's got a lot of bronzy shades. I'm going to swatch some for you. Just some of the shimmers, so you guys can see. So they look really, really promising. Ultra foiled looking. Let's see what they look like on the arm. Ooh, really, really pretty. Wow, that swatch was great. These swatches are ultra promising. And we have one more here. Boy, I'm the worst swatch person, but those look amazing. So I can't wait to put those on my eyes. And the retail value for that is $29. Let me add up everything and tell you the total value and then what's in the giveaway. By the way, I just tested out this makeup wipe, and it's super frothy and to remove those swatches, and it did a really, really good job, and it's like super soaked with product. Yeah, so I just thought I would throw that out there. So this box retails $259 that I got, and now for the giveaway. What I'm including in the giveaway is going to be this Iconic London palette, this Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder, the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter, and last but not least, I'm including the Hourglass Ambient Blush for the giveaway. So to enter, you need to be subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below telling me your favorite thing about your box this month, and leave me your handle by Instagram. That's the easiest way for me to contact you, and I will randomly pick someone within about 2 weeks and contact you through Instagram. So thank you all for watching. Subscribe below if you're not already. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.